Since the beginning of time, only a few of these have ever been seen. Known as a half-sider, no one's sure what causes this unusual condition. Some believe it to be tetrachromatic chimerism, animal or organism formed from the merging of non-identical twins at a very early stage of development. Just recently discovered in humans, 2 sets of DNA in one individual, a condition so rare it is unheard of by most of us. Also extremely rare, the half-sider parakeet. Could this be a chimera? If so, that double-yolked egg did find a way to survive. These birds are so rare, and the merged twin condition is such a new discovery in humans, we don't believe the proper DNA testing has ever been performed to prove or disprove this latest theory of the half-sider parakeet. Regardless of how or why, this is one of nature's most beautiful mistakes. You will probably never see another one of these as perfectly divided in any animal group. This beautiful half-sider parakeet named Twinsy is on display at Rudy's Pet Supply in Oklahoma City. Hatched around 2005, this very rare specimen should live 8 to 15 years. Hopefully, by the time Twinsy has passed on, we will have located a facility that is able and willing to do the proper DNA testing and possibly solve this mind-boggling mystery.